we realized that there was a problem with pet owners and how having the ability to let their pets out during work. This is a big problem because many pet owners are not able to let their pets out during work, and this can cause a pet to become like very anxious and stuff like that. So we did some research, and we realized that a possible solution would be something like a doggy door that you have in a door. And we realized that this is a big issue because doggy doors can let in a lot of air, and they could potentially let in other animals, which is dangerous. So then we looked at some existing solutions, and we saw that there were some automatic sliding glass door openers, which is what we wanted to incorporate in our project. So then we created some possible solutions. We decided on thermal imaging on a swinging door, an automatic sliding glass door with thermal imaging and a motion sensor, and then a motion sensor on just a door that swings open vertically.
Now these three designs were sketched out and then put into a decision matrix. We used the following criteria such as ease to build, ease to code, originality, ease to use, and price to decide what solution we'll be pursuing. And after that, we decided we would be pursuing the automatic sliding door with both a thermal imaging camera and a regular camera. After that, our solution was CAD'd, and then it was created. We created a first prototype, a very rough example of what it could look like. And then we had a second prototype, which is a working illusion, which is shown here. It uses a motor and code from Robot C to be able to push the door both directions at the ease of a button. Now the criteria for designing this is the cameras need to be able to watch the dog both in and out. They need to be able to look at it beforehand to make sure and to know when the dog wants to go outside, and then it needs to watch it outside to make sure that that dog is what is coming back in and not something else. Now we tested this design we tested the code and how well it operated over multiple trials, and we compared that to how well the product was built and how well the door would stay on the track.
Okay, so the coding in these initial prototypes is done using Robot C, which is used for basic robot functions. And then for our final prototype, we'll use a Raspberry Pi in order to make the product work. Now some differentiation from existing products. One big factor is that ours uses a thermal camera, which won't be set off by false alarms such as moving shadows or anything else. When a dog goes in front of the door, the owner will know it, and nothing else will set off the alarm for the owner. In addition, the mechanics are permanently built into the door, so there's nothing for the owner to install, no problems with setting up the device. Now, the market value and social impact, this could have huge market value considering that many people would be interested in being able to stay out longer, perhaps go shopping after work. They would, a lot of people would be interested in this, including myself, because I have 2 dogs myself. Social impact, this could have a huge social impact. The heating, this could solve heating because doggy doors tend to let in a lot of cold air. Now for future modifications, we want the door to have higher quality camera and for it to have an audio aspect. Thank you.